So here I am again, welcome to Ash Eat World for another video food adventure for tonight. I'm staying near the marina in Dubai at the moment, at Le Meridian and Minasai, and the next door hotel, his sister hotel, the Westin. But tonight we're eating at a restaurant called Fish, and it's a fish restaurant, but it's a take on a Greek fish restaurant as well. So it's called like a fish taverna. So you sort of walk out of the hotel here, and then you start to pick up these little signs that say, well, you just pick up the signs for fish. So we're going to follow these little signs, find our way to the fish restaurant. So here's the first of our markers. So we're going to head towards the Fish Beach Taverna. If you're new to my channel, this is Ash Eat World. All I do is just review restaurants and food. If you want to join me and just watch this adventure, it's a new video. Seafood tonight, but with a Greek twist, so keep watching. So here we are, we've arrived at the entrance to the fish restaurant, the Beach Taverna. This looks like it's all blue and white, which is the Greek style of decoration here. As we approach the restaurant, it's got like a Greek design. Found the door. Hello.
Welcome home.
How are you?
Welcome back.
Thank you. You okay?
Yes.
Perfect. Oh, we're all ready.
You didn't beat on me.
Yes, we're all ready for our fishy adventure.
Yes.
Thank you. Look inside this beach taverna. It's very Greek style. Looking around. We're going to sit outside tonight because it's actually on the front of near to the ocean, or inland it is, but it's the ocean. It really is the definition of beach and side dining. So we have our table here. It's right on the edge of the water here. Looking across, looking around these panoramic views. We are definitely on the beach for our dinner this evening here at the Fish Beach Taverna. Quite a unique atmosphere here, sitting right on the beach. So we've just been bought this display and tray of some freshly homemade bread with virgin, obviously, olive oil and balsamic vinegar, some salt and pepper, and some fresh tomatoes as a small appetizer before we have our starter, which we've ordered calamari, fried calamari, so that will be coming shortly. This is the sea bream, yeah?
Yes.
Yeah.
And that's the sea bass.
And this is the sea bass. Beautiful, chef. Brilliant. Wow, I think the sea bream looks bigger. That might be mine. We're going to share.
Yes,
thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks very much. Brilliant. Thank you Thank you. Cheers. Thank you very much. So that's the fish before it's cooked. We've asked for it on the bone, how we like it. So these guys are going to cook it and grill it for us. Beautiful. Breaking with our normal red wine tradition tonight. We're on the beach here at the fish restaurant. So we've had a nice New Zealand Sauvignon Blanc. So we're just still going to do the cheers. Cheers, darling. Wow. This really is unique here. We are literally on the beach. Yes, this is our calamari, yeah? Yeah? Please,
So
yeah.
this is your calamari?
Yes.
Okay. With tartar sauce.
Beautiful.
The good thing is, just put the lemon, so
Yes.
it will become more crunchy.
beautiful.
Okay?
Yeah,
Enjoy.
thank you
Welcome
very
to the
much.
fish.
Thank you. Whoa. Homemade tartar sauce, calamari, some lemon juice. There we go, all ready for tucking in. Try this lovely calamari. The batter is so light and crispy. Calamari is so fresh, it's really hot, it's beautiful. Very, very tasty. Fantastic. This is the sea bream, correct?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yeah.
And this
we
is
have
the sea
bass.
bass. Oh,
Yes.
wow, just how we like it. Fantastic. Wow, look at this. Oh, we're in for a feast. Thank you. Wow. Oh, yes, just what we ordered. Beautiful. Oh, look at that Greek salad as well. Fabulous. So here there's the sea bream. Just grilled, yeah?
Yes,
This has just
just
been
a plain oil
grilled,
olive
yeah?
oil.
No, yeah,
Got
perfect.
olive oil.
Just some olive oil, yeah?
Yeah.
Beautiful. And the sea bass there, same on the bone as I like it. The beautiful Greek salad. Wow, this is going to be an absolute treat. Look at this freshly grilled fish. Beautiful.
Enjoy.
Thank you. Wow.
Oh, it's fine, it's fine.
Oh, it's okay. No, just, we're in good hands here. We're in good hands.
Would you like the head on or off? So I can remove the head.
My wife likes the cheeks.
I'll keep it done.
Thank you. Perfect. Oh, look at that. It's fantastic. So this is the sea bass.
Yes, sir. I will just keep it just like this, sir.
Beautiful,
You still
yeah.
send
we
me some
can
bones.
help us. Yeah, that's fantastic. Well done. Thank you so much. So that's the sea bass.
Want to do the same to the sea bream
Yes,
also?
please. Yeah, why not? Yeah, I'm enjoying this. This is fantastic. So that's the sea bass now, ready for. Look at that, beautiful. Thank you. Now we're going to take the sea bream. Just going to fillet this sea bream for us. Ooh. Start going. sea bass. You've got the sea bass. This is the sea bream now being filleted. This looks delicious as well. I'm sorry. Yeah, oh no, right, we can share. Because this looks delicious.
Which one you like most, sir? Sea bass or sea bream?
I'm more of a sea bass myself, but this looks delicious. This bream, the way you
Yes.
cooked it. Oh yeah, look at that white meat. Well done. Oh, look at that white meat. Beautiful. Well done, that's fantastic. Thank you for that. Look at that. Expertly done. Thank you.
Voila.
Voila. We will enjoy. Wow. Look at our little feast here of sea bream here and sea bass. Thank you.
Thank you.
Perfect. Wow. Fresh fish here at the fish restaurant. Well, this is what's left after our fish meal here. It was absolutely delicious. The chef came and he said that nothing had been added. It was just grilled fish on the bone with some olive oil. And I mean, look at my wife's plate. She's actually sucked out the cheeks from the fish heads. It was so delicious. So I could recommend this fish restaurant to anyone. They really care about the fish here. They know what they're serving, they know how to fillet it, they know how to do it at the table. Absolutely beautiful. We've really enjoyed.
Please. Yes. I have a Turkish baklava.
Okay,
Pistachio ice cream.
okay.
Have some fruits to
Beautiful. That's a lovely sweet. Thank you very much. Thank you. So this delightful looking plate of dessert is all we need after that beautiful fish meal. We have some Turkish baklava with some pistachio ice cream, some melon and some grapes just to finish the evening, and perfect. We've had an amazing evening here at a fish restaurant in the Westin, Le Méridien, Minas Gerais. It's been an absolute treat here, right on the shore. We've had some lovely food. It's not always just about the food either, it's just about the ambience. And look at this, sitting on the beach, sand in your toes if that's what you want to do, but a beautiful, beautiful restaurant to visit. I would recommend this to anyone. This is Ashi World. If you like my videos, please subscribe. It's just an honest review of what I experienced and the same that you can experience. There's nothing extra that I get anywhere, so this is just what you would experience. We've had some beautiful food. The waiter was fantastic, carved the fish at the table. We had a fantastic, fantastic meal. I could recommend this to anyone. It's all in Greek style, the blue and the white. Beautiful. So this is Ashi World signing off from this lovely evening here that I've had. Fish, we had fresh sea bream and fresh sea bass carved at the table. Absolutely delightful. What a lovely place to visit this is. Some beautiful seating here if you're with friends or family and want to sit around for a while. It's absolutely amazing. So yeah, I've really enjoyed it tonight, and like I say, it's not just about the food, it's about the ambience, about the staff, about what happens here, and it's been a lovely evening here at Fish. So if you like my video, please subscribe, I appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you, my friend.
Good night.
We've had a lovely evening. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you, dear. We've had a lovely evening.
Thank you so
Thank you so much. Really nice.
You're
Thank you.
welcome.
Bye-bye.
And
See you
thank
soon, yeah?
See you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.